with every kind of design product that comes onto the ramp today. Some not very successful commercially, but it's a beginning. And I think wherever you see layering of crafts, that means you take some fabric, but then you do put a layer of some embroidery, is where our USP is. And the imaginative layering of crafts, or even, I would say, I see the writing on the wall, tomorrow you may not be able to do everything by hand. Today, there is a semi-mechanized, semi-hand worked product that is coming out, which is what I think the future is going to be. I think you can't have handlooms all our lives because it's really, I mean, there are pit looms where they work and the conditions are pitiful, really. It is not something one needs to promote for the future. But sure, you can put a power loom which can try and produce the same beautiful effect of the handlooms we are doing. Very definitely, the reason where we should hope to have the craft survive is twofold. One is innovation by the designers, and two, innovation within the industry itself. I think much more than any designer's impact on this market is the copies that you have of the designer. Without that, I think this market would die. You know, for every print we do, which is good, I see copies all over the place. So the printing units are moving. So I think that what the general market is doing is copying the crafts and the layering of this craft ad nauseum at the moment. And that's where I see the future.
Has it been answered or? Yeah. I think, you know, I would agree with what Ms. Kumar said, is you can't really say a name. For me, there are lots of young designers who are working with textile traditions and with block printings and different skills. And a lot of them are going towards the purity and some which combine. And I think there is a place for everything. So new, young designs and taking forward those in whichever way it's applied, it's okay. Because as she said, copy is the greatest flattery to this. So it's more and more people experiment, the more they will be.
So I'm going to actually say time up. We have a couple of announcements. First, those of you who don't have passes, you can get them from Asha over here. Of course, all the students will have passes, but anyone who's here for this conversation and wants to see this incredible show that's happening afterwards, which is the starting show of India, of India Textile Day, please contact Asha for passes from IMG. I also want to thank Asha and Saket and everyone at Reliance IMG and Lakme Fashioning for actually, enabling this day, for believing in it, for gathering this incredible panel here to share their thoughts and ideas, and you for being such an amazing audience. I realized I didn't introduce myself at the beginning. My name is Parmesh. I run something called the Godrej India Culture Lab. So just as you all are following at Lakme Fashion Week, you can follow us. We're at India Culture Lab on Twitter or whatever. It's the day of Twitter, so just follow us online. But before that, make your way offline. There are physical worlds as well. We live in one. And in this physical world, we're going to have an incredible show after this. So make your way offline to the main show area over here. And Asha, do you want to say any concluding words? So great. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for being here. Rush quickly to the show so that you'll get good seats. Thank you.